Goeiedag, good day. Ek hoop alles gaan goed. En vandag gaan ons spelwoorde oefen. Today we're going to practice our spelling words. Nou, die eerste keer gaan jy die woorde na my sê en die tweede keer gaan jy 'n pen en papier gryp en die woorde neerskryf. So the first time you're going to repeat the words after me and the second time you're going to grab a pen and paper and try writing them down. Okay, are you ready? Donderdag, hardloop, wanneer, badkamer, 12, speel, oranje, pauze, asseblief, gaan, well done. Now we're going to do it for the second time. Grab a piece of pen and paper and try writing them down. Are you ready? Okay. Donderdag. Hardloop. Wanneer. Badkamer. Twaalf. Speel. Oranje. Pauze. Asseblief. Gaan. Well done. Boy, dankie. I hope you have a lovely day further and good luck with the test.